the bass line starts to thump. Got my speakers on full blast, hear the sound come from the trunk. The block is getting hot, people moving every way. Energy is high, we're living for the night and for the day. See the street sign flashing, red and blue and yellow shine. Every corner has a story, this is ours, yours and mine. No time for slowing down, no time to hesitate. We push it to the limit, cause there's a vibe we must create. Oh, this is the concrete jungle rhythm, hear it bouncing in your soul. Up tempo, fast and kicking, we lose all control. Shivers heart are blazing, a rhythm so profound. We rule the night, we own the street, we own the sound. Yeah, concrete jungle rhythm, we own the sound. Yeah, cha 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 cha. See the lights from the building reaching to the sky. We're the kings and queens of the pavement, gotta testify. Every step's a dance, remove a power play. From the alleys to the rooftops, we find a better way. The beat is like a heartbeat, strong and never slow. Pushing through the darkness, helping our spirit grow. So many faces, so many stories, all in one place. United by the rhythm, moving at a frantic pace. This is the